I'm in La Tinta municipality right now. It's in the department of Alta Verapaz. In Guatemala, one of the worst hit departments due to the storms. About 500,000 people have been affected all over Guatemala, but specifically in this department, it's been over 150,000 people. 45,000 people have been evacuated from their homes. They've lost their harvest, they lost their belongings, and they've also lost their homes. In this community where we're at right now, it's very spread out. It's very mountainous topography. So basically all the valleys have been flooded. The floods have caused a lot of people to be delocated to other places. In the last few weeks, we've been doing a lot of hygiene promotions. So we distributed hygiene kits that contain basic hygiene items so that people can keep proper hygiene practices, but also their dignity. It's very important if you lost everything to have basic items to keep yourself clean. So it's kind of from those both perspectives, and also they contain PPE, so personal protective equipment like masks and also things that are tailored towards the pandemic, of course, because overcrowded places and social distancing doesn't go together very well.